This tutorial offers a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to secure Squarespace site approval for Google AdSense. You will learn how to retrieve the code snippet from Google AdSense and how to incorporate it into the HTML header of your Squarespace site. Furthermore, I will discuss the settings for auto ads and provide crucial tips on ad configurations.
To add and monetize your Squarespace site, start by signing into your Google AdSense account. Once you're logged in, go to the Sites section located in the left-hand menu. You'll notice that I have 2 websites already approved by Google AdSense. The site dozro.com is hosted on Squarespace, and its ads.txt file has been authorized. Adding an ads.txt file on Squarespace can be a bit tricky, but you can follow our easy tutorial video to implement it successfully. Find the link in description. To add a new site, click on Add Site to initiate the process. Enter the URL of the site you want to add. After removing the www prefix, click Save. You will receive an HTML code snippet that needs to be added to the header section of your website for Google AdSense to verify your ownership and confirm proper setup. Copy the code snippet and keep this tab open for reference. You can visit our website for great tutorials on Squarespace, like adding share buttons and copy to clipboard button. Next, open your Squarespace site in a new tab. In the Home menu, click on the Pages option. Scroll down to find Website Tools and select it. Then, navigate to Code Injection, where you can add custom code to your website. Note that the Code Injection option is not available for websites on Personal Plan. In the Header section, paste your Google AdSense code. Make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Now, return to your Google AdSense page, check the box, and click the Verify button. Congratulations! Your site is instantly verified by Google AdSense. Click the Next button and then press the Request Review button to seek approval. Google will review your site, which may take several days. After requesting a review, Google AdSense will prompt you to create consent messages that will be displayed to your website visitors, ensuring compliance with data privacy laws, including those in Europe and California. For guidance on creating cookie consent messages, feel free to watch our tutorial. Find the link in description. In less than 24 hours, I received an email from Google AdSense confirming that my site has been approved and is ready to display ads. Now, I'll open the Google AdSense dashboard and head to the Ads section. You'll notice that ads are currently disabled for this site. To enable them, simply click the Edit button. Your settings will automatically apply to both mobile and desktop versions. While you can implement manual ads, I personally prefer the Auto Ads option. When you enable Auto Ads, Google AdSense provides a preview of how the ads will appear on your site. You can customize the ad settings to include intent-driven ads, overlay formats, in-page ad formats, and more. I recommend not displaying ads on your home page, so be sure to exclude it in your Google AdSense settings. After you've customized the ad settings, don't forget to click the Apply to Site button. All set. Now you can see that auto ads are active on my site. If you find this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Dozro for more Squarespace tips and tricks.